Your Excellency, I have the honor to present His Excellency Mr. Kailash Raj Pokharel, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which Right Honorable President of Nepal has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the non-resident ambassador of Nepal to Republic of Fiji. Also, I have the honor to present Your Excellency the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Thank you. Well, Your Excellency, I am pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you warmly to the Republic of Fiji, and I wish you a happy and a successful mission. Please convey to the President, the government, and the people of the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal our warmest wishes for their continued well-being and peace and prosperity. Hello. Wiliame.